So I'm wearing a pirate hat, but don't get your hopes up because today is the last day for the pirate days at the seaport. Totally missed it. It was yesterday and today. But there is some other pirate stuff going on this weekend. Deviant Donuts is doing their pirate days from the 21st until the 24th, and this is what their donuts look like. The hat has a knot on it, which I think is pretty cool. Come on, straighten out. There we go. I gotta come stand in the shade for a minute. It's super bright out and I forgot my sunglasses. Tomorrow night, the Saltwater Farm Vineyards is doing live music at 5:30, and they're also doing a guest brewery, Talks Brewing Company. I guess they're in New London, and I checked out their Facebook. They look pretty cool. So they will be there tomorrow night. Also the Rolling Tomato Pizza truck. So if you're looking for something to do tomorrow night, that's the place to be. Mystic Park ice cream's open. Town is busy because of April vacation. So I walked across the river so you can see this empty spot right here, and we're gonna go down. So this is where the Argia is normally docked. The Argia is at the Boatyard right now getting all spruced up for spring, and they are gonna start sailing on April 30th, which is not that far away. So spring is here. So that's what's going on in Mystic.